In today's lesson, I want us to look at ordering numbers using place values. So ordering numbers when you're using place values is necessary because we want to try and name the numbers based on their place value. So remember, when we're talking about place value, we are talking about all those terms known as 100,000, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens, units. So let me just draw a line there, and then next to the number there, let me write what we call, these are known as the values. Okay, so we have the place of that value, and then we have the value itself. So the value is the number, and then the place value is more like writing that number in words. All right, so an example that I provided up here is 346,781. So remember, when you're talking about this, you start off by the unit while you're going to the left hand side. So now we're going to start off by the unit, which is number 6. So what is our unit there? We can see that our unit is the 1. So we write the 1 down. What is the 10? Is the 80. So we write the 80 down. So let me crush that number so that we can see that we're dealing with the values. And then what's the hundreds? It's the 700. And then you write it down there. The third one is thousands. So it's 6,000, 10,000, which is 40,000. And then 100,000, we have 300,000. So we have the place value, we have the values. What is the place value? It's more like writing that number in words. When then what is the value? It's writing that number in digits or in numbers.